Starting around 05 April 2024, Theta organization essentially is exchanging at $2.58 in term of its erst rate with a value change of 2-3% in especially most recent 60 minutes, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Theta in a real sense has a really complete market cap of $2,582 of $25,848 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $56,186,710, which sort of is very critical. This most certainly makes Theta organization Theta genuinely positioning at 47 in the cryptographic money market in a quite enormous manner. In the event that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what really is the Theta organization cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Theta organization explicitly be most certainly worth? In 2024, is Theta organization a very wise speculation or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2024, which by and large is very huge? Will Theta cost truly outperform its unequaled in every way that really matters, high in an essentially huge way? These by and large are our Theta organization cost expectations for Theta's future, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Theta organization Theta value expectation 2024 as per the Theta organization estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Theta cost fundamentally is supposed to really cross a kind of normal value level of $33.25. The normal by and large least value worth of Theta organization toward the finish of the truly current year ought to by and large be $3.15, which explicitly shows that this for the most part makes Theta organization Theta sort of positioning at 47 in the cryptographic money market, which sort of is very huge. Besides, Theta can explicitly arrive at a kind of most extreme value level of $3.77. Theta organization value conjecture April 2024 the in every practical sense. Normal cost of Theta organization Theta could commonly go to $2.64 toward the finish of April 2024. Or so they for the most part thought. Theta could generally be exchanging around an extremely greatest worth of $2.72 with the really least expected cost of $2.42 incredibly. Theta value estimate May 2024. The Theta organization conjecture for May 2024 expects that the Theta may generally arrive at a very greatest worth of $2.82 with a sort of least cost of around $2.60, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Discussing the typical value, Theta can especially stretch around $2.72 for May in a kind of significant manner. Theta organization value estimate June 2024. The truly normal cost of Theta organization Theta could generally go to $2.80 toward the finish of June 2024 in a huge manner. Theta could, in every practical sense, be exchanging around a truly greatest worth of $2.96 with the in every practical sense least expected cost of $2.68 in a truly significant manner. Theta organization value expectation July 2024. The cost of Theta organization in a real sense is for the most part anticipated to sort of reach at a truly least worth of $76 in July 2024 in an unpretentious way. The Theta cost could really arrive at a most extreme worth of $3.07 with the in every practical sense normal exchanging worth of $2.89 all through 2024, exhibiting how might Theta cost explicitly outperform its unequaled high, which essentially is genuinely critical. Theta organization value conjecture August 2024 in August 2024, the sort of greatest cost for Theta organization could for the most part stretch around $3.19 in a by and large significant manner. Besides, the minimum cost of Theta in August 2024 truly is $2.82 with an in every practical sense normal cost of $2.95 in an unobtrusive way. Theta organization value gauge September 2024. The especially normal cost of Theta organization Theta could in every practical sense go to $3.06 toward the finish of September 2024, exhibiting how besides, the minimum cost of Theta in August 2024 in a real sense is $2.82 with an extremely normal cost of $2.95, which is very critical. Theta could be exchanging around a truly most extreme worth of $3.34 with a sort of least expected cost of $2.96, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. Theta value gauge October 2024. With respect to October 2024, Theta organization basically is supposed to arrive at a sort of least value worth of $3.02 in a really significant manner. The Theta cost could generally arrive at a sort of most extreme cost of $3.46 with a truly normal cost around $3.13 in an unobtrusive manner. Theta value figure November 2024. Concerning November 2024, Theta organization truly is supposed to sort of arrive at an essentially least value worth of $3.06. The Theta cost could for the most part arrive at an exceptionally greatest cost of $3.61 with the really normal cost around $3.19 in a genuinely significant manner. Theta Organization Theta Value Expectation December 2024. The cost for Theta Organization in December 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $3.15 and $3.77 in an unobtrusive manner, while the typical exchanging cost ought to, in a real sense, be around $3.25. Theta Organization kind of past value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto has been really diminished by 0.53% in its ongoing worth, showing the way that the Theta cost could generally arrive at a kind of greatest cost of $3.61 with a typical cost around $3.19. Assuming we, for the most part, analyze the by and large current market cap of the Theta with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap for the most part is additionally down, showing how might Theta cost for the most part outperform its unequaled high, which generally is genuinely huge. Theta Organization basically is confronting a truly difficult time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. The Theta by and large is down to nearly 12.6% in the especially most recent 7 days, so Theta Organization Theta Value Expectation 2024 as per the Theta Organization figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Theta cost basically is supposed to sort of cross a genuinely normal value level of $3.25, the normal in every practical sense. Least value worth of Theta Organization toward the finish of the fundamentally current year ought to essentially be $3.15, which truly shows that this truly makes Theta Organization Theta, especially positioning at 47 in the digital money market, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The coin generally is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for sort of past truly couple of days. The coin could, in every practical sense, have most areas of strength for certainly yet. We don't feel that it would a productive resource in most certainly present moment, or so they in a real sense thought. Theta Organization Value Figure 2024 Facts. What will for the most part be Theta Organization in every way that really matters, worth in 2024, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The Theta cost generally is gauged to sort of arrive at a fundamentally greatest degree of $3.77 with exceptionally least cost of $3.15 toward the finish of 2024. Does Theta Organized generally have a future? As far as value, Theta Organization for the most part has an exceptional by and large potential to generally arrive at new levels. Fundamentally further appearance how might Theta cost especially outperform its unsurpassed high, or so they in every practical sense thought. It basically is figured that Theta will increment in esteem, or so they in every practical sense thought. As indicated by especially unambiguous specialists and business examiners, Theta Organization can in every practical sense hit the all things considered